Here I've got Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial number on the following device. So actually you have two possibilities, two methods. Let's start with the quickest one. Just tap on the phone dialer and then enter a secret code, which is *pound 06 pound. And as you can see here, can come along with both IMEI numbers and also serial number assigned to your device. So this is it, that would be all for this one. Click on OK to go back. And now we can also locate IMEI and serial numbers through the settings. So at first you have to open list of all applications, then find and select the settings, scroll down to the very bottom of the list where you will notice About Phone. Click on it, and now right in front of you, you've got both serial number and also IMEI numbers. And this is it, this is how you can smoothly, quickly and easily locate both unique numbers assigned to your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.